Now we'll just have a look here at a point when things are starting to slide. Let's say here I've got a coefficient of friction of 0.2. Okay, something I didn't mention earlier, but I will now. Let's have a look at this horizontal force again. If I've got the normal reaction, the angle of static friction is the point at which it slides. That's the maximum value of sideways force. There's my force of friction. There's the angle of static friction. Tan of the angle of static friction equals force of friction on Rn. Look at this angle. Forget about friction. Year 9 maths. Tan of that angle is opposite divided by adjacent. Tan of that angle is that. So the angle of static friction equals tan minus 1 of force of friction on Rn. But mu equals force of friction divided by Rn. Because over here, force of friction equals mu Rn, divide both sides by Rn. Mu equals force of friction on Rn. So that means the angle of static friction equals 10 to the minus 1 of the coefficient of friction. If you're given the coefficient of friction, it's easy to calculate the angle of repose at which something will start to slide automatically. If you just go 10 to the minus 1 of mu equals that. So they give you the coefficient of friction. You can easily calculate the angle it starts to slide at, because the inverse tan of the coefficient equals the angle of repose.